I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the hashtag 2023 CW Collage. It's the Crossword Collage, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this one's number 48. And we get to do whatever we want. All we need is a crossword, and we just write in what we want to. So I've got all these different cats, and I just put up, "What's up, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa." So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. And I'm not sure I spelled whoa whoa right, but it'll be okay. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. Let me see how I'm going to lay this out. I hadn't even looked at it really. That. I just thought I love these cats. Let me see. Make it go over just a tad. And then I've got my lion right there. Seems backwards to me. So let's see what we can do. Maybe go nope. I think it's going to have to be the other way. I love these images. It came from my book I use a lot, which is this one, and I have really, really enjoyed this book. So I highly recommend it. They've got some beautiful, beautiful images. Okay. Maybe just kind of something like that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I want to make sure I have that. I could just maybe tuck, maybe purple. Something like that. We have this. And maybe that. Maybe have this one coming up like that. I like that. Get her moved over. Okay. Now, let's get all of this tacked down. There's not a whole lot going on with me. Just same old, same old. I do have some test, which will probably be over by the time you see this, so shouldn't be any problems. Nothing major. Let's see here. dry. But it's going to stay that way. It'll be okay. Okay. Get him tacked down here. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She is so talented, and I just love the things that she does. Okay. Now, let's see here how I'm going to do this. Go with that. And that. Okay. Let me get him tacked down. Let me get him tacked down. And get this tacked down. Let's see. I think I want that one over the top. Okay, now it's just a matter of putting it down now. And hitting these edges. All right. There we go. I'm still reading book 8 of the Vampire Knitting Club. It's been so much fun and such a quick read. Just a fun, quick read, which sometimes that's what I crave. And it's a clean book and no gore, no sex. It's just a fun read. I've always liked spooky, and it's got just enough spooky without going over the line. Amy from Crafty Cat was doing the audiobooks, and I had actually gotten the first one and had read it and liked it free on my Kindle. So it was when I heard her talking about it, I had to go back and pick up the other books because I remember enjoying it so much. Like that. And I will trim off that flower just at the top. And that's something I wished I didn't do, is do front to back, but I did it on all of them, so I just kept on with it. Okay. I like that. And I think I'm just gonna do a little Stabila All. Of course, I've lost my pencil sharpener. I lose everything. I still haven't found My bone folder is missing, and it seemed like there was something else. Oops, I was supposed to put that over the top, but I guess that's okay. I was hitting this just a little bit. I think I have little crafting gremlins that come and take my stuff, because I will just be using it and it'll just be gone. And I really need my bone folder. I am starting a new journal. You should have seen the page flip through. It's by of the first one that I'm doing. It's a fall journal, and I think it's going to be really pretty. I'm excited, but I need to get busy on it. And I really could use my bone folder for pressing the pages down. Okay. I just basically want to get a little bit of shading here. I can't think of anything else much. I am looking forward to doing those journals. For Anton of Botanic Vintage Designs, that's where these papers came from. And they're gorgeous. He has so many beautiful, beautiful papers. Okay. Alright, now let me get my water pen. Let's see. And just kind of, yep, I got water. There we go. Go around these. I have to cut those little stray brushes off. Get quiet when I do this. Yeah, Barbie did the crossword, and it was so funny. It was a very snarky one. I enjoy the snark. Because she pegged those women that she used in her images. I've seen some of those looks before. Okay. And now this one. I love the way this brings out. It's just, I guess it's just my style. Not everybody likes this, but I do like it. Here we go, come around, down the tail. Yeah, we're supposed to be getting that hot, hot weather again. Maybe it won't last long since it'll be September next week. Okay. Just a little bit of the belly. A little bit under the chin. A little bit under his chin. All right. Now, I think I'm going to do some splatters. And I think I'm going to do some black, which is more of a silver, and some gold. Okay, now let's get the gold. Clean off my brush a little bit. Ooh, need more water. Alright, I'm going to call that done, and I really love how it turned out. So we've got What's Up Pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. And it's listed in my description box. So take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.